Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix WhatsApp and unknown error occurred. Please try again later problem in WhatsApp application. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Open your phone setting. Search Wi-Fi. You make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection is properly connected. Turn on airplane mode for 10 seconds, then turn off. Long press or long tap in WhatsApp application. Go to apps info, click on storage, again click on clear data, tap on clear cache data. Step 4. Open Play Store, go to search WhatsApp app, update your WhatsApp application latest version. Step 5. Restart your device and again open it. Step 6. You can follow all of the steps to fix WhatsApp and unknown error occurred. Please try again later problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.